Hello there, welcome to Success Online Australia, where we share our knowledge on growing your sales through strategic planning on web development and optimization. On the previous video, we explained the funnel site page. In case you missed it, you can find the link of the video on the description box below or click the I button on the upper right corner. For this video, we are going to introduce what is a business website. A business website is a website that helps online business to sell products or services. It helps you advertise or present your products or services through online sales. It will have information for your customers to refer end users, and it allows the eventual purchaser to gather information before committing to visiting the business and engaging with a salesperson. Here are the parts that you need to make your website. You should have the website logo, header, menu, body, highlighted content, call to action, sidebar, posts and feed content. You should also have the internal links, forms, buttons, footer, and last but not the least is the social link. You need to make sure that you have an eye-catching design for your website to catch the attention of the customers, for them to stay in your website and make some conversions. Want to know more about what business website can offer? Email us at sales@successonline.com.au. Watch our upcoming videos as we explain the pros and cons of funnels, page site and business website. Please don't forget to like this video and make sure to subscribe on our channel and click the notification bell for you to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you for watching.